School is so boring, I don't even care anymore.
Don't say that, Alex. Just study hard and you'll do fine.
Hey Alex, let's skip a class and go have some fun.
What do you mean?
I know a place we can hang out and grab some food for free.
Where?
Let's go!
Hey, you two, stop right there.
Oh no, I don't think we'd get caught.
Stealing is a crime, even for kids. You are coming with me. Did you know your mother's number?
Yes, I know it.
Can you dial it?
Just trying to call you right now. I don't know who it is. I mean, you can look at your phone, but
Hello, good morning. How may I help you?
Good morning, ma'am. Is this the mother of Alex?
Who is this?
This is Police Officer Vega. Please come here to the police station because Alex have done something wrong.
What? Yes, I'm on my way. Alex, why did you do this? You know better.
I'm sorry ma'am, I just wanted to beat you.
This is serious, Alex. But since it's your first mistake, we'll give you a chance to make it right.
Hi Alex, I'm here to help you understand your actions and make better choices.
I didn't realize how bad it was. I didn't want to be like him.
You can change, stay from school, avoid bad company, and think before you act.
Welcome back, Alex. I'm glad to see you again.
Thanks ma'am, I'm going to focus on my study now.
That's great, Alex. You're doing